Hello Ramailo people! This is the third part of our ongoing Greece series. We are making our way out of Santorini on a ferry.
We finally reached Milos Island. It is often overlooked amongst the Greek islands, but it is the perfect holiday destination to experience the true beauty of Greece without the crowds.
And as usual, we met another friendly cat as we walked the streets of Milos.
We ended up renting an ATV.
This is Manoj.
Traveling is not always fun and games. I got injured, but carrying a first aid kit came in very handy.
Normally the cotदेखि फेरि एक्सटेन्ड हुन्छ नि त.
We needed a little boost of energy, so we went to an open cafe.
The food and drinks were surprisingly very tasty.
हेर न.
त्यही मैले अफ चाहिँ गरेको छु. Salty. Wow. देखाउ न त्यो.
Yeah. It's not even really focusing over there. You do it.
To मिलो यार.
After refueling ourselves, we were ready to take on the island. It felt so different riding an ATV compared to a car. Almost scary at first, but more thrilling than anything else.
Yeah, हेर भाइ. Klima, where? This way. Klima. Yes. Yes. Oh. Wow, baby. हामी आगे हो यहाँ. Okay. Free parking. Woohoo!
Klima Beach is a calm place filled with pebbles and sand as you enter the sea.
It was so beautiful, yeah.
The multicolored houses contrasting the white beaches was a sight to see.
बसेर खिचौँ.
The waters were the clearest we have ever come across. They glistened like endless sapphires, and candidly speaking, it felt ethereal.
Here are some drone footages for you to enjoy.
We also met a cute little character on the beach.
We could have spent days here, being hypnotized by the pure beauty of the clear waters. But soon enough, it was time for dinner, so we went to look for a good restaurant.
We came across Hamos Tavern, which had glowing reviews, so we went in.
Nope. Skewer now.
Like an omelette. We like a try with this or with tomato salad.
Oh, sausage so many fries. Put on there as well.
And the same lemonade here.
Oh, tomato.
Are you doing it?
Ada salah biar foto.
Without a doubt, they had the most crispiest fries.
We went to the beach on the other side of the restaurant. The sun was slowly setting and we got to revel in the golden hour.
And as we were embraced by the glory of the warm natural light, another friendly cat approached us. And we did what we do best, share our blessings.
We have come to witness why Milos is named the Island of Lovers. It is ideal for romantics who want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city life.
Join us on our next Greece series. Stay humble and we'll see you very soon.